Welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. And today, you're welcome to my podcast session 4. Today I'll be speaking about the power of focus. The most important word in our life is focus. How to be focused and how focus can make you achieve your goals in life and reach you to a level of success which you have always wanted. So in this video, you will learn 7 ways you can form and set goals which will ultimately help you to be more focused and achieve all the results which you have always wanted to. So if you like this video, you can press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. So let us start and discuss the importance of focus in our lives. So achieving goals in life requires that you know exactly what it is and where it is. So you need to understand that first you need to find goals in your life, only then you can be focused. And goal setting process is very simple but yet very powerful. And in this podcast session, I will share with you 7 steps to form goals in your life which will help you to achieve all that you have always wanted but could not. So step number 1 is decide exactly what you want. Now imagine you want a lot of things to do in life and you want to achieve success also, but you need to decide exactly what it is that you would want to have. Is it money? Is it promotion? Is it to have a good house? Is it to go on a foreign trip? What is that goal, specific goal which you want to have, which you want to achieve? So this is step number 1. Now you need to be very specific on what exactly you want. So let's suppose I want to double my income. Income up to what? So first you need to know what your present income is. Let's suppose I earn 5 lakh rupees a year. So my goal is to double my income. So the goal should be, rather the focus goal should be to increase my income or double my income to 10 lakh rupees a year. So this is being very specific. Step number 2, you need to write it down so that you can measure it. You can see the progress of your goal. So my goal, for example, is to double my income to 10 lakh rupees per annum. Now this is my specific goal. So what I need to do is, in step number 2, I need to write it down. Write it down on paper. Now writing down your goals activates the law of attraction and begins attracting into your life the people, the ideas, the resources that will help you move forward to achieve the goals, and the goals will start moving towards you. Now this is the beauty. No matter what goal you want to achieve in life, you will require people, you will require ideas, you will require resources. And unless and until you make it on paper, you won't be getting these ideas, these people, these resources. So that is why it's very important for you to write it down on a piece of paper, whatever your goals are. Step number 3, set a deadline. Now, every goal needs to have a deadline. Deadline means the goal has to be achieved within a time period. For example, I want to double my income. In what time? In 1 year. So my time is 12 months. Now I can set my deadline for achieving my income or making it double within 1 year, which is 12 months. Now I can also divide my goal of 1 year into quarterly goals, into monthly goals, and into weekly goals. What are the things which I will do to increase my income? Whether I will invest more in learning new skills, whether I will find out a new hobby, whether I will invest in a new business, whether I will collaborate with other people and earn more income, whether I will work part time and get more income. So, what is it? You need to divide your long term goal of 1 year into parts: monthly goals, weekly goals, daily goals. Now, these are the things which will help you to reach ultimately to the goal. Now, step number 4 is you need to make a list. Now, I've already spoken to you about writing your goal. Now, what is this list? Now, you need to write down everything you will have to do to achieve your goal. Now, you have a goal of doubling your income. Now, this is an example. So, you need to make a list and write down everything you will have to do to achieve your goals. If it is an additional knowledge or skill which you will require, any obstacles which you may overcome or have to face, you need to identify people whose help you will require. Now, these ideas, activities, resources, you can keep on adding in this list. So, you have a goal, you have decided for a goal, you have written down your goal, you have set a deadline, and in this step number 4, you will make a list of all the things which you require to achieve that goal. Now, step number 5 is you need to organize all that you have done in the first 4 steps into a plan. Just as you would plan any project, organize your list by sequence and priorities. Now, you have a list of activities which you need to do to achieve your goal. Now, what you need to do is you need to organize this list into a plan. Which activity should I do first? And I should give more priority so that it will help me to achieve my goal faster. Step number 6. The key to success is action. Now, step number 6 is the most important step to be focused and achieve your goals in life, which is to take action on your list of activities. Do something, do anything, do at least the smallest part which you can do to achieve your goal. It could be thinking, it could be moving ahead and bringing resources. As Einstein said, nothing happens unless something moves. You need to move, you need to take the first step. And as I've already said, the key to success is action. If you don't take action, you will always have plans on paper. So nothing happens until you move as well. Take the first step. Now, what are the 3 benefits which when you take the first step? What are the 3 benefits which you will get when you take the first step? The first is the moment you take the first step, you will get feedback. People will tell you that you are doing this good. Oh, this is not right. This could be done in this way. So you'll get feedback and you can do course corrections. The second is you will get more ideas and additional actions that you can take to move forward. So once you start doing something, you will get new ideas to do the same thing in a better way. So you're improving on what you have to do. And the third and the most important thing is your self-confidence. So each and every action which you take on daily basis will improve and increase your self-confidence. The last and the 7th step is do something every day that moves you towards your most important goal. And once you start doing something every day, you will slowly get momentum. And this momentum will help you to achieve your goals even faster than 1 year. This is what is achieving goals, and this is how people who are big in life achieve their goals. Another way of having a brilliant strategy for having goals and being more focused is to practice a 10 goals method. Now you need to take a clean sheet of paper, maybe an A4 size blank sheet paper, in which you need to write down top 10 goals which you would want to achieve this year. And you need to use, or you can use, a formula which is how you will make these 10 goals. You need to make it personal, you need to make it positive, and you need to make it in present tense. For example, I earn 1 lakh rupees a month. So this is something which you want to achieve as a goal in life at the end of this year. So this is positive, this is in present tense, and this is personal. This is how you will achieve your goals. Every day, write down your 10 goals on a sheet of paper or on a whiteboard, so that these 10 goals which you're writing down every day becomes a part of your subconscious mind. And this subconscious mind, which is not alert always, but will direct you to achieve your goals. This is the beauty and the most important concept of being focused in life. I'm sure these steps will certainly help you to be more focused and achieve your goals for this year. Out of any of these steps which you personally follow or you like, you can comment below. And if you like this video, you can also press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye-bye. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon.